Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unusual activity on your Cashapp application. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and open up the Cashapp application on our device. If you're asked to log into your account, just go ahead and log in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken to the home page. Now, the primary reason that you find unusual activity on your Cashapp application is because you don't have a PIN set up for every transaction. So let's go ahead and fix that by tapping on the account icon first at the top right corner. Now just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now right at the beginning, you will be able to see the security log feature. Just tap on the Turn On button and you will be able to choose a cache PIN for your Cashapp application. Just go ahead and type in your desired PIN and you will be asked to confirm it once again. So type it in once again to confirm it, and now you have two options. You can either set the application to ask for the PIN, either only to move money or also to unlock the application. So let's go ahead and tap on Unlock the app as well, and you will be asked to provide your verification by typing in your PIN or through your biometrics. After you provide either of those, this feature will be activated as well. And now every time you open up the Cashapp application, you will be asked to log into your account by typing in your cache PIN. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix unusual activity on your Cashapp application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.